it's Kathy from Xijia Real Estate. Today I will continue to show you a property in HeSheng Cape No.1. Last time I showed you a 3-bedroom unit and some clients asked if there are 2-bedroom sea view units in this community. So today Kathy specially found a very beautiful 2-bedroom sea view unit that's also ready for immediate moving. HeSheng Cape No.1 is situated next to Shili Silver Beach. It's adjacent to Huizhou Bay Bridge and Guanghui Expressway. Making commuting to Shenzhen and Hong Kong very convenient, truly realizing the dream of working in the Erie Bay and living by the sea. This is a really low-density community in the Greater Bay Area that's right by sea, with a high greeting rate of 35%. When you open the window, you will see the blue sea and white sand. When you step out, you will be greeted by the beach and the waves. The community has a standard basketball court and an outdoor fitness equipment area, which meets the basic fitness needs of people of different age groups. It boasts an internet-famous infinity swimming pool, facing the blue sea and the guides directly. When swimming, you feel as if you are integrated with the sea, making it an iconic experience of coastal life. The apartment I'm recommending to you is located on 20th floor of Building 6. This 80 square meter 2-bedroom sea view apartment is like bringing the romance of sea right into your home. There is a spacious sofa in the living room. Just sit here, you will have an unobstructed view of the boundless sea. The blue sea and the sky stretch as far as the eye can see, and it's so pleasant to enjoy the sea breeze and the waves. The master bedroom connects directly to the viewing balcony. Open the door, you will be greeted by the sound of the wave and sea breeze. Wake up in the morning to watch the sunrise sleep over the sea, and fall asleep at night with the stars twinkling above the ocean. Who could resist such romance? The second bedroom is just the right size, perfect as a kids' room or a guest room for friends and family. It's spacious and never feels cramped. The bathroom has a wet-dry separation design, which keeps it clean and tidy, and you will never have to worry about the dampness during the rainy season. This is an open kitchen. You can even sneak a glance at the sea view while you are preparing meals. This apartment with well-designed layout and amazing sea views everywhere is absolutely perfect, whether it's for self-living, vacation stays, or commuting around the Greater Bay Area. It's priced at 370,000 yuan. If you are interested, feel free to contact me and view it anytime. Bye bye!